Koster Dachflex is a solvent-free, breathable, crack-bridging elastomeric waterproofing coating based on styrene acrylic dispersion. Koster Dachflex creates a foil-like coating which is waterproof and water vapor permeable. The material is highly elastic. The material is quick drying and also suitable for the repair of leaky flat roofs. For flat roofs, a minimum slope of 2% must be obtained. The installation of Koster Dachflex requires only simple tools, which increases job site safety and the simplicity of application. Koster Dachflex can be used for waterproofing newly built roofs and facades, and for the protection and restoration of facade and roof surfaces. Made of concrete tiles, bituminous materials, fiber cement sheets, old paints, and screed. The lid is secured with metal clips. Before use, mix the Koster Dachflex thoroughly to ensure homogeneity. Dachflex can be used as its own primer. In case of absorbent substrates, apply a layer of Koster Dachflex diluted 1:1 with clean potable water as a primer. Consumption 100 to 200 grams of the diluted material. Using Koster Dachflex to repair cracks in facades. Primer the area around the cracks with the mixed Koster Dachflex primer. This can be accomplished with a brush or roller. Prepare 10 cm strips of Koster Flex fabric. These will reinforce the areas over the cracks. For easy application, use a bucket grid or painter's tray to uniformly distribute the material onto the roller. Cover the cracked area with Koster Dachflex. Immediately embed the Koster Flex fabric strips into the fresh material and gently press it in with a brush or on larger areas with a flat trowel edge. Properly embedding the reinforcement will reduce the overall thickness of the repair, making it less visible when the work is complete. Tip: pay special attention that the edges lie completely flat so that they don't poke through the second layer. This will help to make the repair more invisible. Application on horizontal areas. Pre-mix the Koster Dachflex to ensure homogeneity. The Dachflex, diluted 1:1 with water, serves as its own primer on absorbent mineral substrates. Apply the primer with a brush or roller. The primer dries rapidly. Once the primer has cured tack-free, the first layer of Koster Dachflex can be applied. Be sure that the minimum consumption is distributed evenly. Koster Flex fabric is embedded into the fresh first layer. Where the reinforcement is overlapped, the overlap should be 10 centimeters. Be sure that the reinforcement sits flush with the substrate in all area, as any air entrapped will form a bubble in the finished coating. After the first layer has fully dried, the second layer can be installed. Begin with the details using a chip brush. Roll the entire area. You have a good minimum consumption when you can no longer see the pattern of the Koster Flex fabric. A fine texture can be achieved by leaving all roller strokes in one direction. Roll extra material between all overlaps. After full cure, the surface is suitable for occasional foot traffic. Through its versatility, ease of application, durability and resistance, Koster Dachflex is the perfect material for your next project.